Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the currency in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Booking app. Here it opens up in the search menu. From here we just have to go into the profile menu. Scroll down, tap on settings, and here under device settings we find currency. If you tap on this, then here we have a lot of currencies from which we can select, and yeah, we can just tap on the one that that we would like to use, and that's going to be applied. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.